If you want to know how to change font size in Microsoft Word, you're in the right place. In this quick but complete tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to make your text bigger or smaller, whether you're working on a document, report, essay, or any other Word file. This is one of the most useful formatting skills in Microsoft Word because changing font size can instantly improve readability, make headings stand out, and help your document look more professional. If this video helps, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Microsoft Word tutorials. Now, let's jump in. First, open your Word document and select the text you want to change. You can do this by clicking and dragging across a word, sentence, paragraph, or even an entire section. If you want to change the font size for the whole document, you can press Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac to select everything at once. Once your text is selected, look at the top of Word and click the Home tab. The Home tab contains most of the basic text formatting tools you'll need, including font style, font color, bold, italics, and of course font size. In the font section, you'll see a font size drop-down box with a number inside it, such as 11, 12, or 14. Click that drop-down and choose the size you want from the list. You can also click in the box and type a specific number if you want a custom size, then press Enter to apply it. If you want to make the text a little larger or smaller quickly, you can also use the increase and decrease font size buttons near the size box. These are especially helpful when you're adjusting headings or fine-tuning the look of a page. Now, there's also another fast way to change the font size. If you right-click the selected text, a mini toolbar may appear right above your selection. This toolbar gives you quick access to the most common formatting options, including font size. From there, simply choose a new number and the text will update immediately. That's really all there is to it, but let me give you one extra tip. If your document has multiple headings or sections, it's a good idea to keep font sizes consistent so your formatting looks clean and professional. For example, you might use one size for body text and a larger size for titles or section headers. That makes your document much easier to read and more visually organized. So to recap, the process is simple. Select the text, go to the Home tab, choose a font size from the drop-down, or use the right-click mini toolbar for a faster edit. And once you've done that, your text will update instantly in Microsoft Word. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Word tips, computer basics, and easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.